In the Galaxy Watch series, Samsung is reinstating the tactile rotating bezel at the unpacked presentation. However, we are also getting thinner bezels and more capabilities for our health that I have been requesting on a Samsung watch for years. First off, this year's Galaxy Watch 6 will come in two varieties, Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. The bezels of the standard Watch 6 are substantially thinner than those of the other two, which will actually make it seem more attractive. Today is the first time that the Watch 6 Classic arrives in real life. Son Heung-min, a South Korean football star, was seen sporting the Watch 6 Classic at an airport. And as you can see, in addition to having a bigger display than Samsung's existing line of Galaxy watches, the new model also has thinner bezels and a thinner overall profile. Not to mention that the rotating bezel, which was absent from the Watch 5 Pro the previous year, is now back. Unlike earlier Galaxy watches where you had to manually monitor atrial fibrillation, the Watch 6 and 6 Classic will be able to assess it at all times. This essentially monitors abnormal cardiac rhythms automatically and will let you know if you need medical treatment. Because a fib may also be asymptomatic, which means you might not be aware that anything is wrong, this technology can save lives. A speedier chip is yet another improvement coming to the Watch 6, which I believe is much needed. See, I have both the Apple Watch and the Watch 4 Classic, and it's obvious that the Apple Watch is much more responsive. This may be because of optimization, or it might be because of a superior chipset. The Watch 5 Pro and Watch 4 Classic shared the same chip, thus either a faster chip or improved optimization are undoubtedly needed. Fortunately, Samsung is providing us with a speedier chip in the Watch 6 that might solve all of those issues. You may truly save $50 merely by expressing interest in pre-ordering the Watch 6 or Classic, and the offer comes directly from Samsung. Simply submit your name and email to get a $50 credit toward the watch or the upcoming foldables without having to spend anything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.